Hi everyone, today in front of me I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G smartphone, and let me show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, let's swipe down from the top in order for the notification and control center to appear. Here, expand the control center shortcuts, find the Wi-Fi shortcut, tap and hold in order for you to go to the Wi-Fi settings menu. Here, choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll probably go with this HardReset.Info Wi-Fi network. And here, once we are at the network details page, we can just go ahead and scan this QR code with the device that we were to share the Wi-Fi network password with. In my case, it's going to be the simple Nokia Android smartphone. So in it, I'll scan the QR code using the camera built-in Google Lens. So I'm opening up the camera, going for the Google Lens. Next, I'll go ahead and frame this QR code. Once it gets recognized, I'll tap on it. Wait for this Join Network button to appear and then tap on the Join Network button. And as you will see right now, our Nokia device will be, or actually has already been successfully connected to the HardReset.Info Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!